Now let us see an example of a determinant. How to find the value of a determinant. See, here is the question. How to find the value? So what is the cofactor here? This is plus, this is minus, and this plus. You can take in any order. You can do with this row, first row or first column, or second row or second column, or third row or third column. In any way the answer will be same. Then you see, we take the, what is the minor of 3? 0, 2, 4, minus. What is the minor? It is an determinant obtained by leaving that row and that column. 3, 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4, minus 3. Then 4. What is the cofactor? Minus. Minus 4 of, what is the minor? Minus 1, 2, 3, minus 3. Then for 6, what is the cofactor? Plus. Then what is the minor of 6? Minus 1, 0, 3 and 4. Then find out the value. 3 into what is this value? 0 into minus 3 minus of 2 into minus 4. 3 into 0 into anything? 0. Minus 4 2s are 8. Then minus 4 into minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3. 3 into minus of these two. Minus 6. And plus 6 into minus 1 into 4 minus 4 of minus into 0 into 3. 0 into any value 0. Minus 0. Find out the value. 3 zeros are 0, minus, you multiply inside the bracket. 8 3s are 24, minus 24, 4 3s are 12, minus 12, minus 4 into minus 6. You should be very careful with the signs. Minus 4 into minus 6, minus 24, plus 6 4s are 24, minus is there, so minus 24, and anything with 0, 0. See, 24, 4, here minus 4 into 3, 12, minus 4 of minus 6 plus 12, minus 6 of minus 4 plus 24, then here 24, 24 cancel, minus 24 minus 2, minus 36, this is the value of this determinant. I will repeat the sum once again. See, 3, this is the minor, we should see the cofactor, this is plus. On leaving this row, this column and this row, we should write that remaining. What is the remaining? 0, 2, 4, minus 3. Cofactor is plus. Plus 3 of 0, 2, 4, minus 3. What is the cofactor of 4? Minus. Then we should leave that row and that column. Then what is the remaining? Minus 1, 2, 3, minus 3. Minus 1, 2, 3, minus 3. And what is the cofactor of 6? Plus 6 into, we should draw that row and the column, this row and this column. What is remaining? Minus 1, 0, 3, 4. Minus 1, 0, 3, 4. Then what is the determinant? What is the value of this one? This is 0 into minus 3. A minus of 2 into 4. 0 into anything? 0. And 2 into 4, 4. Where here minus 0 of minus 3 into minus of 2 into 4. So that is minus. Minus 4 of like the same as this 2. Then we get the value. Then we should multiply. Here minus and here also minus. You should be very careful. Minus into minus 4 into 3, minus 12. Minus 4 into minus 6 plus 24. Then 6 into minus 4 minus 24. Anything with 0, 0. Then we get the answer. Here 24, 24 cancel. Plus 24 minus 24 cancel. Minus 24 minus 12 minus 36.